This is the NRMA electric car charger at Yass in rural New South Wales. It was really handy for many years, providing free charging, thank you NRMA, to EV drivers without needing an NRMA membership. Slightly more than 4 years after this was installed in late 2020, it has been really unreliable because the Tritium V-fill model is known to be unreliable. It's now 4 years since this was installed, and unfortunately this Tritium V-fill model that the NRMA chose at the time was supporting Australian business. Now Tritium, after going broke, was sold to an overseas company, so it's no longer a local business that needs to be supported. This particular model of Tritium charger is really unreliable and has a terrible reputation amongst electric car drivers in Australia like myself. It's had a good run, it's had hard use. I remember using it several years ago during a Christmas EV road trip when it was the only electric car charger in Yass, and back then it was a lifesaver. Now though, it's broken and NRMA says they're waiting for parts from a supplier. I think what they should really do is rip it out and throw it in the bin and put a new one in. To their credit, the NRMA has been quietly removing and replacing old Tritium chargers on their network for the last 6 to 12 months and replacing them with much better ones, like the ones at NRMA Karua, which are now fast ABB chargers instead that actually work. Yeah, I think they need to do the same for this and other locations that still have old Tritium chargers. Replace them with a new model, ideally a new brand that has a better reputation amongst EV drivers. Please replace this in 2025 as a New Year's present for electric car drivers in New South Wales and those transiting through NRMA. Please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this for you. Thanks and see you later.